Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? Good? Okay. So, students, today we will solve question number 34 and 36 in this video. Okay. So, open your books. If you are not having books, then with the help of video, you can see question and then solve. Okay, and write how much you are getting in the video comment section. Write down, are you getting all the things whatever I am explaining here? If yes, then write yes sir, I am getting all the things. And second thing, better submit your documents till 15 for your registration. Okay. Read the question number 34 from the screen or read from your book. Read it, see. क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? ए सोल्ड गुड्स टू बी ऑन 30 अक्टूबर। ए ने बी को गुड सेल किए 30 अक्टूबर पे फॉर 14,000 एंड रिसीव बिल फॉर 2,000। ठीक है, 4,000, 8,000 like 2, 3 and 4 months durations respectively. He kept first till maturity, endorsed second in favor of his creditor and discounted the third bill on 3 December 16 with 18% discount. Okay. First and second bill will due met on maturity and the third bill was dishonored. The bank paying 40 as noting charges. On 3 March 17, B paid 3,000 and the noting charges in cash and accepted new bill after the date of balance plus 150 as interest. The new bill was met on maturity. Give journal entry in the books of A and B. देखिए, ए ने गुड सेल करे थे बी को 14,000 के, अब उसने बिल बना 3 बिल बनवाए 2,000, 8,000 और 4,000 का। ठीक है, सो नोट डाउन द फॉर्मेट ऑफ जर्नल एंट्री, फिर समझाता हूँ क्या करना है। फॉर्मेट बन गया। नाउ बेटा सी, ए सोल्ड गुड्स था ना, तो टू बी, तो जब जर्नल बनेगा बेटा ए का इन द बुक्स ऑफ ए, इन द बुक्स ऑफ ए जर्नल बनाएंगे जब, तो बी सोल्ड गुड्स टू ए। ओके, सॉरी, ए सोल्ड गुड्स टू बी। सो बी के पास बेटा गुड्स आए तो बी डेबिट हो जाएगा टू सेल्स अकाउंट 14,000। ओके, नेक्स्ट बेटा 3 bills were received. So on 30 October, BR1 debit, BR2 debit, BR3 debit 2,000, 4,000, 8,000 to B 14,000. Okay. After that, on 30 October, C debit to BR. It was second bill was endorsed to C. That is why C debit to BR हो जाएगा. Okay. Now on December 3, bank debit, discounting charges debit to BR. ओके, कि अब दिसंबर 3 को बिल डिस्काउंट हो गया था। ओके, आफ्टर दैट ऑन जनवरी 17 कैश डेबिट टू BR1, तब जो भी ड्यू डेट आएगी उस पर पहला बिल जो है मैच्योरिटी पे रिसीव हो जाएगा। ओके, आफ्टर दैट ऑन मार्च 3 बेटा 1 month लेटर, बिकॉज सेकेंड बिल वॉज फॉर 3 months ना। देन बी डेबिट टू बैंक 8040, बिल डिसऑनर हो गया। अब सेम जो बिल जब डिसऑनर हो गया तो रिसीवित होगा, उसके बाद आगे चल करके कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बी 3040, उन्होंने तुरंत इमीडिएटली भी ने पे कर दिया कैश में। एंड रिमेनिंग इंटरेस्ट ड्यू 150, तो अलॉन्ग विद इंटरेस्ट ऑन मार्च 3 बी अगेन ड्यू अ बिल फॉर 5150। ओके, सो इट विल बी रिसीव्ड on June 6. Okay, bill honor done on due date, so cash account debit to BR account. Okay, so you can note down all the entries now. Now beta we will prepare entries in the books of B. So in the books of B, purchase account debit to A 14,000. Okay, now on October 30 A डेबिट 3 बिल्स बनाए थे ना, तो बिल पेबल हो जाएगा, बी को बिल पे करना है टू BP टू BP टू BP। ओके, नाउ ऑन जनवरी 17 2 जनवरी BP1 will be honored, so 2000 will be paid, so BP debit to cash. On February 2 BP2 was due and was received, to BP debit to cash. On March 3 BP was paid along with noting charges 8040. Okay, but it was again dishonored, so again on March 3 it paid 3040 cash immediately with discounting charges. Again interest was due on March 3 for 150, so on March 3 again bill payable was accepted by A for 5150, and then on June 6 after 3 months bill was again created for 3 months na, so bill payable was debit to cash. Okay, so till here I think everything is clear. If something is left, you can note down. Now read question number 36 beta. Darshan sold goods for 40,000 to Varun on 8 January. Okay, and again giving him a bill for 2 months. Varun accepted the bill and returned the same to Darshan. On the due date the bill was made by Varun. Okay, so record journal entries in the following circumstances: when retained till its maturity, when immediately it was discounted, and when the bill endorsed immediately by Darshan in favor of creditor Suresh, or when 3 days before its maturity it was sent by bill for collection. Okay, so all the entries as earlier we are preparing, सारी चीज़ें वही हैं, ठीक है, nothing is new. First of all we have to prepare journal entries Darshan books. Varun debit, Darshan was selling to sales account 40,000 आ जाएगा। फॉर्मेट बना के नोट कर लीजिए। उसके बाद में BR डेबिट हो जाएगा टू वरुण, बिल विल बी क्रेडिटेड 40,000. नाउ केस 1, when bill retained till maturity, so in that case cash debit to BR 40,000. Okay, when bill discounted with bank, in that case what will be their bank account debit, discounting charges debit to BR. Okay, and in the case third, when bill was endorsed in favor of Suresh, so Suresh debit to BR हो जाएगा. Okay, and when bill sent for collection, in that case bill sent for collection account debit to BR. Okay, so this way all the entries will be prepared, and remaining entry you have to prepare by yourself. Thank you students. Bye bye, take care.